what is 3 things that you would share with them as they begin this journey?
All right, so the first one, so there's gonna be 3 points. The first one's gonna be time. Know that it's gonna take time for you to learn the skill set. It's gonna take time for you to know yourself, because the person you are when you start trading is not gonna be the same person you are when you know a little bit more about trading. Know it's gonna take time to actually get some type of result, and know it's gonna take time to be sustainable with the result. So the first thing is time. Don't put a time on your success. There's impossible in trading. You're never gonna know when you're gonna be successful. You're never gonna know when this thing's gonna work, ever. It will work, but you don't know when it's gonna work. So first thing is time. Do not put a time on yourself, because they say you wanna have your first payout by next month and you don't get it. Now everything kind of, it's like a whole downwards ladder from there. So the first thing is time. Just know it's going to happen, but don't know when. The second point is going to be risk management. It's boring, it sucks, it's repetitive, but it's the fucking truth. You're not gonna make money without having risk management. It is the simple truth. Even if you're taking your $100 to 10K, you're gonna, after you get out the hole with the 100, you're gonna have to, lower the risk a little bit. So you're gonna need risk management. In any business, right, for your business, you can't just go right now to, ads and just throw your whole bank account into the ads and expect the whole money to come back plus ROI. There's a risk management strategy. If you made 10K this month, a certain percentage of that goes back into advertisement. You know what I mean? Let's say right now you're have a car wash business. You can't just buy 10 vans right off the bat and fill them all up with soap and things to clean. No, like there's risk management. You need to buy one van first. Once that works, then you invest into another one. Like there's risk management in that, right? So it's boring, it sucks, but if you don't use risk management, close the book, you're not gonna do it. You're not gonna succeed, it's simple. And then the third point, I would say, this is gonna be different from these two. It's gonna go more to like the technical side, and it's gonna be trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. Whatever the market's doing, just go with it.
Yeah.
Like if the weekly and the daily are going up, bro, just buy. You'll make money. You won't make money tomorrow. You won't make money the day after. But 6 days later, you're gonna make money.
Come on.
But then that goes back to the first point, which is time. Realize it's gonna take time. So if you're gonna use risk management and then you're gonna go with the trend, those are your 3 factors to be successful, bro.
That's amazing.
Simple.
Man, that's dope.
It's simple.
That's good. That's good.
Really, bro, trust me. I can go on right here and I can say you got to wake up in the morning, you got to close your eyes and meditate, and you got to do all this. You got to get up and spin your chair around every morning.
Yeah.
That's what are the baseball players? What's that called? What's that called? That has a name. You know what that is? Like the baseball players, like before they bat, they have to like move the bat around. That has superstitious.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's no superstitious to be successful here, bro.
Yeah.
Like I make money from a spinning chair. Jordan makes money from a still chair. Like there's nothing different, I mean, what matters is the person you are to get to the market, and just what matters. And what matters is the strategy, risk management, and your emotions. Those are the 3 factors: time, risk management, and trend.
That's fire, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you for that, man.
I got you, bro.
Traders, it's your boy Calvin here. Listen, I hope you enjoyed this interview. I hope it empowered you. I hope it motivated you on your trading journey. I just believe that we can make it. We can become consistently profitable traders. But number one, this is what I learned. You got to have one setup. You got to define one setup. And this one setup is the setup that you're looking for every single time you come into the market. All right. Number 2, you got to manage risk the right way. 1% risk max is what I recommend. If you do this, you know each and every time I'm only going to lose this amount. So there's no surprises and you're not overly invested into one particular trade. Number 3, you got to be patient. You got to allow that one setup, the criteria of that one setup, you got to allow that to come to you. And once those things come to you, you're checking everything off your checklist, you enter that trade. I just truly believe it's possible for us to be successful in this market, but we got to be patient. We got to have one setup and we got to manage risk the right way. Now, you may be somebody on your journey that says, Calvin, listen, I'm doing all these things, but I don't have much capital, right? I need more capital to make money. Well, then if that's you, maybe you need to look into Forex prop firms. And when we talk about Forex prop firms, check out Blue Guardian. What I love about Blue Guardian is they have no restrictions on their trading. You can hold over the weekend, you can trade during news, and most importantly, y'all, they have this tool called the Guardian Protector. The Guardian Protector is allowing traders like you and I to protect ourselves against ourselves. So when you feel like over leveraging, when you feel like over trading, right, when you feel like adding on more risk, the Guardian Protector allows you, before you even get into a trade, to go into the back office and you can set daily percentage levels or daily dollar amount levels where your account cannot go beneath. And if it does, they will automatically take you out of the trade, which will allow you to be able to live to trade another day and not violate your challenge account using your daily drawdown. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a prop firm that will give you all of these benefits, plus you get an 85% payout rate once you get funded, and you get paid every 2 weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, check out Blue Guardian. And guess what? Today, we're going to give you 15% off on your next challenge using coupon code NEWTRADER, the number 1. That's right. You get 15% off your next challenge using coupon code NEWTRADER, the number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to running into you at the bank one day, but you cannot meet me there. You got to beat me there. When Calvin pulls up to that bank, you should already be walking out, duffel bag on your shoulder, big smile on your face. And that's my way of saying I believe we all are going to be successful. And before we get out of here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you never miss another video, another interview of motivation. Holla at you later. Peace.